Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. It's your Ma'am Sara Ansari, and you are watching Learn with Miss Ansari. From today, we are going to learn all the English letters, alphabets, mommy and baby alphabets to read, write and recognize. Okay, so if you want to learn with me, you must subscribe the channel and start our journey. Let's see what is our first letter. Hey, who are you? Hey, Mr. Penguin, I am Mommy A. Have you seen my baby? No, I can't see your baby. I don't see your baby anywhere. Baby A, where are you? Mommy, I'm here. Where were you, baby? Mr. Penguin was looking for you and I was looking for you. Don't you know we have to start our first lesson from today? Yes, Mommy. So let's start. A is for apple. Apple. A is for alligator. Alligator. A is for arrow. Arrow. A is for ant. Ant. Now learn to write. How we write, Mommy A? See what we have to do. Yes, we have to go up in slant, come down in slant and join them. Go up in slant, come down, join. Let's learn to make baby A. So easy. Make a curve, go up and come down. See again. Make a curve. Yes. Go up and come down. It's simple. Now it's your turn. Draw with your finger. Make Mommy A. Go up in slant, come down and join them. Let's learn to make baby A. Make a curve, go up and come down. Make a curve with your finger. Yes. Make a curve, go up and come down. You did it. You are amazing. Let's learn with pictures. Starts with letter A. Is tree comes with A? A tree? No, you are right. Ant? Yes, ant. Ball. Ball? No. Arrow. You are right. Alligator. Yes. Cake. What? No. So apple. You did it. These are some worksheets. Here you have to color the pictures that begins with letter A. Okay. Here you have to circle letter Mommy A and Baby A both. And next, here you have to color apple and trace Mommy and Baby A. Then you are able to write them. Now here you have to write the beginning sound of every picture, each picture. Okay? WhatsApp me to get these worksheets and be with us. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.